guys. Good morning guys. My name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And look what I have in my shed today. A BMW R1200GS from 2008. And it's the first time I have this bike in my shed, and I have to do maintenance onto it. An oil change, a gearbox oil change, end gear. I'm gonna lower it, put new oil in it and lower it, and lubricate the splines, new brake fluid, new air filter, well, everything. So I would say come on over and we start. Guys, let's see how much this bike has run. Almost 100,000 kilometers. So time to give it a MotoScan check. What I always like to do is when I have a bike for the first time, like this bike, I don't know its history, so we're gonna attach the MotoScan app hardware and we're gonna see if it has collected any fault codes. You never know, eh? I don't know the history of this bike. So, another thing guys, this is the seat 4. It says it's an extra fluffy seat, but I can reach with my feet the ground. The bike is way too high for me. My old bike has an extremely lowered body seat, and this is not the original one, but a size higher also. Look. We're gonna take the body seat off. That's easy. Looks nice. Plastic. Okay. Carefully put it out of the way. Then no. A problem. They glued something. Yeah, God, guys. Yes. Watch, guys. Oh. They okay, but cut it off. It's not the usual way. I had to address that too. Now guys, I have the MotoScan hardware. The first thing we're gonna do is attach that special cable. Over here is the diagnostic connector. It was not fully on. Yes. Then we have here the UniCarScan 2100. And it's the Bluetooth interface. It connects your phone with the MotoScan app onto the bike's electronics. It's the connection in between them. So this out of the way. Then a red LED is shining, so already have a voltage. Then guys, we're gonna put the bike on ignition. Up. Okay. Then we take the phone and then we're gonna open the MotoScan app. The first thing I always do, watch over there, is do an adapter check. Then I am sure that the hardware is connected to my phone by Bluetooth. Adapter check. He's already found the UniCarScan, so that's good. Okay. Scroll down. 3 times yes in green, always good, I think. Okay, this is an R series. It's a K25. First thing we're gonna do is check the ABS. Read trouble codes. Under voltage. Okay. I think his battery is on the way out. We're gonna clear the trouble codes. Okay. We're gonna read them again. No trouble codes found. Okay. That's for now good. Then we go to the alarm. It has an alarm. Read the trouble codes. Under voltage, the same. So we're gonna clear the trouble codes. Okay. Read trouble codes. No trouble codes found. That's good. So we wipe them. Then we have instrument cluster, the combi. Read trouble codes. We get a low battery. See? Under voltage. Okay. We're gonna clear that too. Up. Then we go to engine electronics. MOT. We get that same fault code. Oh, no trouble codes found. Okay then. And then we go to the central chassis electronics, ZFE. And there we're gonna read the trouble codes. No trouble codes found. Okay. So, guys, we now know that this bike, except for the battery, I'm gonna test it in a moment, has no serious fault codes. So that's good. Now, let's close the MotoScan app. Okay. Close, then we put the bike off ignition. Pop. This one off. This one off. and this one off. Now guys, that was my video, a quick one. How to check your bike for fault codes. Especially when you gonna buy a second-hand Beamer. Take your MotoScan hardware and your MotoScan app with you and read out all the fault codes. Then you know if the bike has any problems. If the bike has any fault codes, wipe them, then start the bike and warm it up, take it for a test drive and read the fault codes again, because maybe the previous owner wiped them and there is a problem with the bike. So that's a tip. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, share my channel with all your friends on the social media, on WhatsApp and Instagram and Facebook. Spread the word so they can benefit from my maintenance videos too. It's a win-win situation, eh? And for now, Old Mechanic out.